from MFPBS, the Master of English Department from the Sheikh Hayat University, Chicago. As you all know that today our presentation day and the topic of our group is critical thinking. First of all, I am very thankful to Sir Mehboob Ali Golo, the great personality who gave us this opportunity. And dear friends, thinking is voluntary, like heartbeat, breathing, we all are thinking, like now you all are thinking what I am presenting now. Some of you people are thinking about your presentation. But dear friend, this is not critical thinking. Please consider. Critical thinking analyzes on facts to form a judgment. Critical thinking enhances language and presentation skills. Thinking clearly and systematically can improve the way we express our ideas. And the main purpose of critical thinking is to make better decisions and to get positive results that come from better decisions. Now I will give you a glance how to do critical thinking. First step is to organize information, structure reasoning, evaluate argument, and last but not least, communicate conclusion. Dear friends, now I will tell you what is not critical thinking. Blindly believe on everything, always thinking that I am right. Criticizing all the time or considered as non-critical thinking. Now I would like to call one of my colleagues, my best friend, my group member, Niyaz Ahmed, who will further continue our topic.